How much do you like beer? Hey, so I'm DJ Purpose from the Fan Mob DJs, and I'm here in Red Bluff. It's Saturday, August 10th, and we're at what's known as the Brew Battle. So the reason the name was changed to Brew Battle is because what they've done is they pair up different businesses, local bars, restaurants, food places, and they pair them up with different breweries. So each booth has different breweries. And at the end of the night, they count the drink tickets, and whoever was a favorite and has the most tickets, they win the Brew Battle, and they win a cornhole board. So we're gonna go around a little bit later and say hi to different booths and kind of give you a feel of what it's like to be here. Just learning about 2030 Club. Tell me about it, because I don't know anything about this club.
Take it away.
So the 2030 Club, it's kind of like a Rotary or a Kiwanis. It's a local club in town. It's national, but this is the Red Bluff chapter.
Okay.
We put on several events every year, and the money that we raise goes towards the youth in town. Okay. Whether that's youth sports or back to school programs, every dime that we profit goes toward the youth in town.
Okay, so we're at the Red Bluff Brew Battle, and we're with Heather.
Yes.
And are you the owner of this company?
Yep, I am the H part of C&H Creates. We do custom cornhole boards, rustic home decor, and outdoor games.
Okay, and how long have you been doing that?
This is our 3rd year.
And what's the average price of, say, a cornhole board?
So our cornhole boards, they are regulation size, tournament quality. They come with custom stain or paint, custom graphics. They also come with 8 matching bags for $2.99 plus tax. We're located in Reading. We'll travel anywhere. We'll deliver boards wherever you need them.
Let me get the phone number.
Yep, phone number. You can check us out both on Facebook and Instagram. We have C&H Creates Facebook page as well as C&H Cornhole.
Hi, my name's Kaylee Brisbane. I'm a 2-in-1 program manager. I work for United Way. We're partners with Tehama Together, and we operate a program called 2-in-1. 2-in-1 is an information and resource line that you can access 24 hours a day. And the donations that we're taking today benefit programs like this and the Food Share Group. All the great work Tehama Together does here in Red Bluff.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
So that was Brew Battle 2019. Hopefully you enjoyed that. A lot of great beers here. The booth I worked had Dogfish Head, which is a personal favorite of mine. So they have life-size games out here. They got a cornhole, life-size beer pong, which are basically just big red garbage cans that look like the big red cups. And we have a blues band over here that's been playing sporadically, but it's been raining, so nobody's really gathered around the band because they're gonna get wet, you know. So everybody's kind of wandering around the beer tents and just checking that kind of stuff out. But it's a great day, lots to do out here. If you enjoyed this and had a good time, give us a like and a share and a subscribe and all that good stuff that you're supposed to do. And then we'll catch you on the next video. All right, peace.